Yo, what's up? What's going on YouTube? Jason Mendez here. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but check me out. I've been kind of busy. This is what I've been working on. I got this on the OfferUp app, and it's a all original, 100% original white performer bike. I don't know, 78 maybe. All the stamping that's on here matches. The rims have all the same stamps. They match. Everything matches. So this is what I'm doing. I put the original rims to be painted, and then I bought these caps off of eBay. They're called Shogos. Basically what it is they're just bolted on and pinched together to create what you see there. And this is how it looks like with a tire on. Those are the original tires that go to this bike. Do with them. But I decided to go with the white tire. And if you've seen my videos in the past, you know them white tires were on a lowrider bike. Well, there's the lowrider bike. All in pieces. On this white's performer bike. Shake it out. Boom. Anybody like the orange and cream color popsicles? Creamsicles? That's it right there. That looks pretty dope. Let me get the other one on. That. Woo. I'll flip it in a little bit. I mentioned that earlier. These old rims have numbers printed. So this is a little something I've been working on. It's been kind of busy lately, so it's kind of slow process, but it's kind of like a concept vehicle, but you know, I would like to see it that way, but I don't think it's gonna happen. That piece in the back right over here is just to keep it standing. I'm not gonna use it. Yeah, looks pretty good. It's gonna have a mongoose front end, and it's a next bike. Nothing special, just building it to get rid of parts. Rims and tires, and the seat to go there so I can complete it. Get on the road. I ended up getting a scooter bike. I finished the scooter bike. I did a little something to it. I'm gonna show y'all right now. And I also completed the performer bike. So I'm gonna turn the camera over and I'm gonna show you what I got going on. All right, so here is the completed white performer bike now with the white tires and BMX rim caps. Standing. I like that. I like this one too. I wish I can keep them, but I'm taking up a lot of space. So I didn't get to record how I extended the electrical for the scooter bike, but it didn't take too long. I did some soldering. All right, so on the scooter bike, I added tail lights and turn signals, and I also added a headlight. So we have a working headlight in front of the scooter bike. This is your turn signal display for your thumb, and then this is the tail lights. It's got nighttime driving, so you can have the lights on. This right here is an indicator just to let you know that the light is on, everything's working, like you would like a dashboard or a dash panel. It's got turn signals. It's got brakes. And that works by applying here, squeeze here, and the tail light turns on. And then that's controlled by a collapsible control down at the bottom, connected to the cable. This is a freeform. So that's it with lights on, lights off, turn signal, and it comes with its own horn. I do wish I can keep them, but that's just money waiting to be made. So I'm gonna end up selling them. All right, so this is kind of a little, I guess, something else that I want to do on video. And of course, I did the exact same thing. I built this a little bit, but I haven't done videos like on it or shown like how I wired it up, whatever. But this is kind of a little thing I want to try to get into right here. So RC Adventures, that'd be pretty badass. You know, this thing, I've been hitting it up pretty good. It's been rebuilt a couple of times. I'll probably make a video on that. I've done a lot to it. It's fun though. Check that. Ooh, does it have lights too? Yeah, it does. Stay tuned.